Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wished your team would update project statuses without having to constantly chase them down, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up automated status update requests in Smartsheet. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to trigger friendly, automatic reminders that help keep your projects on track. No more manual emails or wasted time. Alright, let's jump right in. First, what we're making is called a status update automation. That means Smartsheet will automatically send out requests for updates when it detects certain changes, such as when a task moves to in progress. This is huge for keeping things current and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. So to begin, open up your sheet in Smartsheet and head over to the Automations tab. You'll usually find this in the top navigation bar where all your workflow magic happens. When you're there, click on Create from Scratch. This tells Smartsheet you want to build something tailored, perfect for those situations where the built-in options just don't fit your needs. Now for the trigger. We want our update request to go out when our row, specifically the status column, changes, so select when rows are changed. This tells Smartsheet to keep an eye out for any updates or edits to your rows. Next, we narrow it down by setting the specific condition, status equals in progress. Basically, you're saying, only fire this workflow when someone sets the status to in progress. This is useful for avoiding unnecessary notifications. You don't want your team bombarded every time there's a tiny edit, only when it actually matters. Once you've set up that trigger, it's time for the action. Click on Request an Update. Smartsheet will now send out a notification to whoever's responsible for that row, gently nudging them to provide the latest info. This is where things really start to work for you, saving you having to do it manually. But let's not stop there. Make this update request as clear and helpful as possible by adding a customized message. This is your chance to communicate exactly what information you need and why. For example, you might write, "Hi, please update the arrival date for your assigned task." You can even add more context if you want. A little friendliness goes a long way here. Now you'll want to specify which fields you want them to update. In our case, the focus is the arrival date. So under specific fields, select arrival date. That way your teammates aren't confused or overwhelmed. They'll know exactly which part of the row needs their attention. It's also a good habit to include the name of the person responsible, both in the message and in the field assignments if that fits your team's workflow. This just adds another layer of clarity and helps avoid any ambiguity. Once you've set up all those details and you're happy with your workflow, hit the Save button. Smartsheet will give your automation a name. Let's call it Status Update to keep things neat and easy to reference later. Now, before you roll this out to your whole team, let's give it a quick test. Click on Test and choose to trigger the workflow for the entire sheet. This makes sure everything is working the way you expect it to. Think of it as doing a rehearsal before the big show. Run the workflow and then head back to your sheet. Finally, take a look at the notification that gets sent out. You'll see an update request with your message and the link to quickly update the arrival date. If everything looks good, you're all set. Whenever a task switches to in progress, your automated update request will go out, saving you tons of time and hassle. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you set up status update automations, or if you have any questions about Smartsheet workflows, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next one.